Hi guys, welcome to my channel. On this video I'm going to show you how to install Python before we start with opencv. So you go to Google search, then you type Python, enter, then you choose this link, click on this link. Then when you get to this page, what you need to do, you go to download, click download, then you click this yellow icon. So if you are using Windows, you'll click on Windows. If you are using Linux, other. So since my PC is Windows, so it's default. That's why it says download the latest version for Windows. So you click on Windows, then you choose your own directory. Then I'll say save. So when it's done, so you say show in folder. Then when you get to this page, you can just say open, right click open, or you double click. So just say open. So since I have it on my PC the software, so I'm not gonna install it, but there are important things that you need to check. So when you get to this page, it will show installation or something, because mine is already installed. That's why it says upgrade. So there are things that you need to check. So I think when you install it, don't click on this one, go to this customize installation. Why? Because you need to tick. Sometimes you'll find your software will doesn't have that. You need to tick on this pip. You click next. So since I have the software, I'm not gonna do anything, so I'm just gonna say cancel. Yes, then you go to the search button, Windows search button, then you type Python, you pick that one, then you type print. We're just testing if the software is working. Print, say hello world, you say enter, and it will say hello world. Click on enter on your keyboard, then it will say hello world. Guys, thanks for watching. Please subscribe and click the like button.